How to fix Vodafone Broadband no internet connection red light error. So to get started, go ahead and check the Vodafone service status. The first thing you need to do is to check if there are any issues with Vodafone in your area. Also check websites such as Down Detector to see if other customers are reporting similar problems. Another thing you can do is to check your cabling. So you need to check the cabling of your Vodafone router. So the next thing you can do is to check your broadband line at the wall socket. Plug a phone into the broadband wall socket and check if you get a dial tone. If you don't get a dial tone, there is a fault on your line. Another thing you need to do is to check the Vodafone broadband router status lights. Check the Vodafone broadband router is not displaying any red or amber warning lights. You can check the status by swiping your hand on the top of your broadband router. The internet light should be on and solid green, not flashing. If the internet light is flashing red, ensure all cables are firmly plugged. Check that the power LED is not flashing rapidly. If the power LED is flashing rapidly, there is a fault. Restart your broadband router, and if there is no change, contact Vodafone. And that is how you can basically fix Vodafone broadband no internet connection red light error.